Alice is sitting with her sister outdoors when she sees a white rabbit with a pocket watch. Fascinated, Alice follows the rabbit and falls down the rabbit hole.
Ah!
Down and down and down she goes.
Ah!
Until at length she reaches the bottom, unhurt, and discovers a long hallway full of doors, one of which opens into a beautiful garden. Soon, she
Which
finds
R2-D2 is apparently.
Exactly.
she finds a special drink with a note that says, "Drink me." So she does, and shrinks to 10 inches tall. And then eats a special cake and grows. And grows. And grows even more. Poor Alice eats and drinks, but can't seem to get it right. She winds up swimming in a pool of tears she made when she was bigger. She swims to shore with a number of animals, including a mouse, a duck,
Quack.
and a dodo.
What?
After they all talk and run around a bit, Alice offends everyone and winds up alone, only to run into the white rabbit again. He mistakes her for the maid, and she gets stuck in his house. When she gets out,
Now, come on.
when she gets out, she takes some milk of magnesia, meets a caterpillar in the woods smoking a hookah who asks her,
Who are you?
only
Oh,
it
that was
sounds
good.
more like a slightly groggy owl.
I already sounded like a slightly groggy owl.
Get groggier.
Who are you? That
That's
sounded like
better.
Yeah. Okay.
Alice grows and shrinks some more, meets some more animals, comes across a crazy duchess and her cook whose recipes call for too much pepper.
Achoo!
Alice finds out the duchess's baby is really a pig.
Wee 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 wee.
Gets advice from a disappearing Cheshire cat. Attends a mad tea party. And
There's a lot of people at a party.
Yeah.
finally gets to the lovely garden she had seen earlier, where she meets
R2-D2.
the Queen of Hearts.
Off with their heads.
She plays croquet, meets a mock turtle who tells a story, and sings a sea shanty.
Hardy hardy har. I don't know.
Nice.
Finally, she's dragged back to the Queen's garden and appalled at the trial of the Knave of Hearts, who's been accused of stealing the Queen's tarts, an accusation not supported by the evidence, which makes Alice very cross indeed.
I don't know what cross sounds like.
At this point, something happens to resolve the story and help the reader make sense of the nonsense. Alice finds herself back to normal, back with her sister on a leisurely summer afternoon, telling her wonderful tale of Alice's adventures in Wonderland. The end.